Hi guys, good morning. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning and we are by the beach. We're just having coffee, me and Hobbs, and then we decided to go here at the side of the beach because the sun will soon rise and we want to see it. And and we're also waiting for the fishermen's for their fresh catch so we can buy some. So we went to the beach right after yesterday after our feeding program with the family, and we decided to stay overnight so that we can have a good swim today. So I will show you. House is there. He's waiting to go swimming. And then that's the beach. Hi guys, so we're not able to witness the sunrise because we have to go to the fisherman's area to get some. Hold on, there's a rainbow. I need to take video of this. Oh, what a beautiful day. So yeah guys, I was not able to take video of sunrise because we went quickly to the fisherman's area because in the morning they weigh all their catch and then you just have to go there and pick what you want. So we went there instead of witnessing the sunset because we need to live. Like, we need to eat. Just kidding. Like, we need to get our food, fresh catch, because obviously we're already here. So yeah, went there, get our stuff that we need, and then so I'm back on the beach. I'm just walking here. Oh my god, what's happening to it's the cord of my phone. And I'm gonna show you the beach and the rainbow as well. There's the rainbow. So beautiful. And the beach, I think it's going low tide now. The water wasn't this low. So it's going low tide. I hope we can still swim later. The kids, not the kids, but my niece and nephew is still sleeping. Say hi, Sa. Are you enjoying? Oh, that's two.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog.
Yo, your back is so red na. Did you put sunblock? Oh my god. There's jellyfish there.
Wala eh.
Uy. Ay, asa to tong basong ida ni ate? Swimming. I forgot my sunglasses, so but it's just us. The beach is all for us. Yeah.
Sila na magamit ini na magabusan sila magkalimban
guys, we're at the Tira.
Ano, hindi, di ba?
Tired.
Next time you bilin ha.
Air fryer ba? Kuya, ni baya o ka ng
We're at Ayala Center, Cebu, and we're eating in Ulis, I think. I don't know.
tabunan.
What did you order? I ordered laksa noodle soup. How about you, Dean?
Yeah.
Uy, nga uy. Kaya klaro lang eh. Live plate. Kung gusto siya. Bless you. Tissue.
Kasi na.
Ayun lang.
Link. The sabaw. It smells good.
Hi guys, so we're going out today. We're going to my cousin's son's birthday, and we're gonna attend another birthday after, so it's gonna be a quick one. And yeah, so see you in a bit. I'm gonna give you an update in a bit.
Settle down for designated tables and chairs 5 minutes before we're going to start our first birthday party. And then we say, Mr. DJ. Celebration. Alright, mommies and daddies, okay, are you ready for the grand entrance? Okay, again, one more time. Okay, mommies and daddies, are you ready for the grand entrance? Ready, celebrate yun doon, again, okay? More energy, okay? Mommies and daddies, are you ready? Very good, okay, ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please have me welcome on birthday celebrant, Maui, together with mommy and daddy. Please give it a big round of applause. Welcome, everybody. Happy birthday. Okay, next celebration name? Bernie. Older you, sir, Bernie? Okay, okay, next time, next celebration name? Older you, daddy? Plus. Okay, girls, be ready. Okay, you're next. Okay, ma'am, player number 1, what is your name? How old are you? 36. Sure, ma'am? How old naman? Parang naman. 36. Okay, next player number 2, what is your name?
Joyce,
How old are you, Ma'am Joyce?
58.
Okay, ito. Wow, yan. Parang 18 naman. Pero pali naman. What is your name, ma'am?
Jam,
Ano edad, Ma'am Jam?
30 secret.
36. Okay, next, what is your name, ma'am? How old are you, Ma'am Thea? 19. Okay, next, what is your name? Ano edad? 19. Wow, sige. Okay, next, what is your name?
MJ,
MJ. Okay, Mary Jane. How old are you, ma'am?
30 plus.
3 plus. Tara, 9 plus. Okay, last time. 3 pataas. What is your name, ma'am? Play number 4. 4. Perfect. Play number 1. Play number 1. Ready, shoot the cupcake. Player number 1. Come on. Number 1. So, that's it. Then shout happy birthday, Maui.